This is going to be a little video about removing plastidip from my car. Put in a little bit of places with the bumper and the chrome grille and the mirrors and the rear bumper. Painted them all black. They're all chrome. Painted them black. But decided to take it off now. So I like how chrome looks better. Let's get started. Right here on the side. See, it's just to start peeling it till you get a little circle. Till you get enough, you can just start peeling it back. With the microfiber cloths work really well with it. So I mean, you can see the difference right there. This is matte black, and the chrome just comes off like a balloon. That's pretty good. The more layers you put on it, the thicker it is. The easier it'll be. And then I'll get to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so you can really start to see the difference between parts that are plastidips and the parts that aren't. I really liked I liked the plastidip. It was nice. Give it an extra, a different look. An aggressive look. Painted the grille, bottom bumpers, and the mirrors, and all the emblems, you know, the 4x4 and the Hemi and all that. But it's time for it to go. I like the look of the chrome more. Okay. Just get a little piece. Cool. I only put like 2-3 layers on here, so it's not that thick. It's pretty nice. Stuffed some papers in between here on the other side, so it wouldn't get on the radiator or anything. You just put a bunch of tape, masked it off with some newspaper, and it's all good. Came out pretty nice. This is only my second attempt. Well, my first attempt on this car. I turned around on that car and it didn't come out as good. And then the bottom came out even better. I mean, that one was pretty. Because it has some spaces right here. It's not having any paper, but you can just shove the paper in here and then just fold it back and it stays nice. It stays put. And then just shove some papers in there, little small papers in there, and just cover it in. No paint on it whatsoever. So that was good. This is probably the easiest part of paint. That and the mirrors. Okay. Okay, so already got everything off the rear bumper. I already painted it, but took it off already. But I did leave the other emblem, the Laramie sign, and now I'm going to paint this 4x4 sign. It's simple, it's just mask off. If you want, I mean, it just makes the job easier. And you have to peel everything off. And then you just go over it. Just say 3-4 layers. Okay, here's after it's done painted. You just grab it. See, I masked all around it. That's why there's no off spray. But not much, at least. Get it up. can't take the rest off, but you guys get the gist of it. It's really cool because then you just start pulling it off, and then it just like gets cut by the little emblems. Okay, well there's the job done. It's not professional, but it'll do. I'll go over and I think this one's come out pretty good. This time, take everything else off, and that's it. So I just leave it like this with the grill and the ram head painted black. But I'm gonna take it off the mirrors, took it off the bumper, and I'm gonna take it off the back too.